What's going on, everyone? Happy Tuesday here. Niles Abbott, Discount Water Softener Company. We are in the beautiful Travisso. Is there any place like Travisso where the business is hot, customers are awesome, the views are beautiful? People ask me, how do you work outside during the heat? Let me give you my secret. My secret are the Mexican taco trucks. Yes, they are Mexican taco trucks. They didn't have the Mexican cola. That's a downside, but the show must go on. So even without Mexican cola, we are doing great work here. Got my tacos, got everything. Just finishing up a beautiful install, and then we got another one, also in Travisso. So we are knocking them down. One down, another to go. I'm gonna get some quick lunch. I had a question about brine tanks yesterday about a guy who said, my brine tank looks disgusting. Here's the answer. It's normal. It's one of the only things in life that should be disgusting. That salt comes from the earth. It comes with dirt. They get it out of the earth. They bag it up and ship it to you. You pour it in there. You pour the dirt in there as well. It's not a big deal. You don't have to clean your brine tank. It's not involved in the ion exchange process. It just goes down the drain. Isn't that life? Just goes down the drain. All right, guys. Having another great day. Signing off. Y'all take care. Give me a call for some real hot deals. Later.